Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers and listeners of the world, today I am going to discuss a very religious matter before you. In the beginning, I want to define in this way that Allah, the creator of the universe, has revealed many religious books to guide and control the mankind. However, out of all, 5 religions are very known and followed in the world. Number 1, ancient religion called Hindu. Number 2, Buddhist. Number 3, Jews. Number 4, Christian. And number 5, Islam, the last religion. Every person of the particular religion thinks that his or their religion is perfect and authentic. But is it actually right? I think not. If one religion would be good, then other religion would not be able to come in the world from the Almighty Creator. So we cannot say properly that and clearly that every religion is perfect. On these questions, I have written an important book called A Great Way of Salvation. A Great Way of Salvation. It is edited by a religious scholar named Qari Hafiz Maulana Shirazul Islam. Meanwhile, I have discussed briefly in my YouTube channel named Great Salvation. My YouTube channel named Great Salvation. In this channel, I have earlier discussed briefly about the Hindu religion, next Buddhist religion, and third Jewish religion. I am going to discuss briefly about the Christian religion. Christian religion is revealed through Prophet Jesus. We Muslims say Isa alayhi salam. He was one of the best prophet from Allah, the creator of the universe. And the divine book name of Christian religion is Injil Sharif and Bible so-called presently. I have mentioned very vividly and narratively in this book A Great Way of Salvation. At first, I have discussed vividly and narratively about the religion. Then there are many chapters, and in those chapters I have discussed subject-wide matters of particular religion, like creation of the world, creation of the world in different religion, creation of the mankind of the different religion, human rights in different religion, women rights in different religion, politics, economics, social structure in every religion, sexual affairs in every religion, heaven and hell in every religion, etc., etc. However, so I am going to discuss today about Christian religion. In the beginning, I want to say very sorrowfully that the Christian religion, that is Injil Sharif, called Bible, in the beginning was written in Hebrew language. It was written in Hebrew language, but miraculously, this Hebrew language Bible will be found nowhere in the world. Where has it gone? This is a great question. This is the great question, where has gone this? The first authentic, unedited, unchanged Hebrew Bible. So Hebrew Bible is not found anywhere. Instead, there are different type of Bibles are found in the world, like English Bible. So this is the question and confusion. However, this Bible has added four Gospels. Four Gospels, four Christian scholars has written in different way these four Gospels and togetherly called the Bible as well as Injil Sharif. So let's go what to get from this Bible actually. In the beginning, I want to cite something very wonderful in different Christian books from Gospels regarding Muhammad, the Prophet of Islam, and Quran, the divine book of Islam. Number one, Jesus was talking himself. If you want to love me and obey my commands, eternally I will pray to my Father. He will give a peace giver to you, to whom he will be with you eternally, who will be with you eternally. It means Muhammad. St. John chapter number 14, 15 and 19. Next, but the peace giver who was pure spirit, he would teach you everything of the religion. Whatever I have said, he will make you remember the things. St. John chapter number 14, oblique 26. Next verses from Holy Bible. When he will come, he would guide you to the path of truth, because he won't say anything from his own. Rather, what he will listen, he will say the things. This is the and another things I can say you. Okay then. So let's go about the authentication of the so-called Bible that we found in the world presently. Cardinal Daniel, he was the famous researcher named Cardinal Daniel. In 1967, he has written a study book, research book called A New Representation of the Origins of the Christianity. The book was A New Representation of the Origins of the Christianity. There he expressed that after the disappearance of Jesus, a few preachers of the Christian religion started preaching Christian religion. This group was called Judeo-Christianity. Actually, this Judeo-Christianity was authentic and perfect. However, this Judeo-Christianity was leading by James, one of the relative of Jesus himself, and also Shimon. He was also cousin of Jesus. And before starting preaching the Pauline Christianity, this Hebrew language Bible and Gospels were being followed or being utilized. But when Pauline Christianity owned the situation, then gradually this Hebrew language Bible and the Judeo-Christianity started deleting or disappearing gradually. Very sadful matter and sorrowful event. However, Mr. O. Coleman, one of the one of the noted researcher said, the world should know that the Paul was a very debated person, criticized person. He did not have any relation with the family of Jesus as well as other persons, other companions of Jesus himself. Paul was also called betrayer of the religion. Anyway, Cardinal Daniel said again, after detaching from the great sources, Judeo-Christianity started to dissolve, and later on, detaching from Palestine and the adjacent actual area of Christianity, this Paulian Christianity started to flourishing greatly in the Western countries. And presently, there's Paulian Christianity was flourishing different countries and is still going on. And this Paulian Christianity is not actually authentic and perfect, because I said earlier, he has been detected from the original Christianity, Judeo-Christianity, and he did not have the original Hebrew language Bible. So at the last, in this episode, I should better say that at the time of Paulian Christianity that is going on still in the world, the priest of the churches and the other writers and helpers of Paulian Christianity took some important informations, less or more from Hebrew Bible, that was made followable and suitable for them easily, and the important things have been deleted and subtracted from the original Hebrew Bible. So this is the thing. So next time I will try to discuss other Gospels one by one, like Gospel from Matthew, Gospel from Mark, Gospel from Luke, and Gospel from John. So thank you very much. Whatever I discuss, in conclusion, it can be said that the ongoing Paulian Christianity made Bible cannot be said authentic and perfect. Something had been added and something had been subtracted for the interest of that time peoples and the churches and the kings and emperors. Thank you very much. It will be more clearly in the next episode, next gospel discussion. Thank you very much. May Allah help us to seek to find out the original way that can give us salvation, actually salvation. Thank you very much. May Allah bless us.